Hi YouTube, you're probably seeing me for the first time. My name is Bonaventure Ogeto and I'm a software engineer. I'm also a programming and computer science lecturer. And I'm here to introduce you to something exciting that we've been doing for the past 3 months and we're planning to do for the next few years as well. So just to cut it short, I'm on a mission to educate 1 million students in tech by 2030. And in this case, we are mostly targeting students who come from underprivileged backgrounds. As you know, tech education can be really expensive to access the courses, the devices that are needed, the laptops and internet connection. There's a lot that goes into building a career in tech, and there's not enough resources for those people who cannot afford to do this. Now, YouTube has given us a good platform where we can be able to share our courses and try to find ways that we can support those people who cannot afford to pay for these courses or even do their computer science degrees. And this is one of the avenues that we're using to help us in achieving this goal. Now, the long-term goal is that we'll be at a position where we're able to get the devices, buy them ourselves, and donations to go and offer to those individuals who cannot afford to do these things. But at the moment, all we can do is basically preparing these courses and sharing them here on YouTube and also in other platforms and putting the word out there for people to access. Now, I come from a tech background and I've been privileged enough to offer some of these courses to some of the biggest universities and coding bootcamps around the world. And that is why I'm also doing this for those people who cannot afford to get to those institutions. Now, remember, the goal of the mission is very simple. We want to reach 1 million students in tech by 2030, and you can even achieve that a lot sooner. All I ask of you to help in achieving this mission is simply hit the subscribe button, like, share this information. We want to reach as many people as possible through the algorithm and all the opportunities that come with this to help us achieve this goal. So if you feel that this is a goal that connects to you and is something that you'd like to support, please do so by subscribing and liking these videos and watching, sharing the notifications. You know the drill, how to be able to make the algorithm share this information to as many people as possible. So far on YouTube, we have a number of courses. We have a Python programming series that we've been doing. We actually finished doing Python about a week ago. So the Python programming series is good for complete beginners. We also have a HTML and CSS beginners as well, which we've also kind of finished. And we're going to be doing the entire data science track and also the web development and software engineering track on top of this, and all these are going to come as we go. We also have data structures in the algorithms series as well, and you may also go ahead and jump on that and share. If this is your first time doing programming, then I'd suggest you do a beginner programs to on HTML and CSS and the one on Python, as we also try to prepare to bring some of the other courses. So thank you for joining, and I look forward to sharing this amazing time.